New for 2020, Dr. Serrano and I have compiled the 21-day Fat Cell Cleanse Nutrition Program Advanced Fat Burning Tips. We've reviewed thousands of journals from clients all over the world using the 21-day Fat Cell Cleanse Nutrition Program and conducted many experiments at the same time, because we're always in a state of constant learning to help our clients. Now, these advanced tips are very simple to execute, and they are things that you can put into place quite easily in your daily life while maintaining a high quality of life, helping you to earn a low level of body fat and to maintain that over the long term. Because again, the program is highly advanced yet very simple to execute with a lot of flexibility, the ability to eat out, to minimize food prep, because after all, using fasting is about as simple as things get for certain periods over the day. You don't have to run around and find anything. But you can use the 100% MR and the muscle synthesis powder during those fasted periods to enhance fat burning, to get rid of cravings, to lower hunger, to maintain your muscle, and to have a high quality of life. And they take only seconds. It tastes great. So Scott@infinityfitness.com. I will send you the free advanced fat burning tip file for 2020.